What does landscaping mean? Landscaping means designing, arranging, and improving outdoor spaces such as gardens, yards, parks, or open land to make them more beautiful and functional. In simple words, landscaping means decorating and organizing outdoor areas using plants, grass, trees, and other natural or decorative elements. Landscaping includes planting flowers, growing grass, trimming trees, building pathways, and adding features like fountains, stones, or lighting. The main goal of landscaping is to make outdoor spaces attractive, comfortable, and useful. Landscaping can be done around homes, offices, schools, hotels, and public parks. For example, when a garden is designed with plants, lawns, and walking paths, it is called landscaping. There are different types of landscaping. Soft landscaping includes living elements such as plants, flowers, shrubs, and grass. Hard landscaping includes non-living features such as stones, walls, decks, fences, and pavements. Landscaping also helps improve the environment. Plants reduce pollution, provide shade, and create a peaceful atmosphere. Good landscaping can also increase the value of a property because a well-designed outdoor area looks more attractive to buyers. Professional landscapers plan layouts carefully by considering soil, climate, sunlight, and water needs. Here are some example sentences. They hired a company for garden landscaping. The hotel has beautiful landscaping around the entrance. Landscaping made the backyard look fresh and modern. In simple terms, landscaping means designing and improving outdoor spaces with plants and decorations. Easy way to remember. Landscaping means making outdoor land look beautiful.